Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, it's Corby here with Big Math Rescue, and today we're going to graph some inequalities on a number line. So the first thing we're going to look at here is number 1, b is less than 4, so we know that b cannot include 4. It's not less than or equal to 4, so we're going to go to our number line and find the 4. We're going to use an open circle. An open circle tells us that 4 is not included in the inequality, and b is less than 4. So we will color everything to the left on the number line. All right, over here we've got -3 is less than or equal to n. So we're going to go to -3 on our number line. And we know that -3 is less than or equal to n, so we can color in our circle because it's included. And then n is greater than -3, so we will color in everything to the right. All right, let's do a couple more and then we'll scroll down and practice writing some inequalities. 2 is less than k, so we've got that less than, it's not included in. We're going to go to 2 on our number line, give it an open circle because 2 is not included. And you can see here k is on the larger side of the inequality, so k has to be greater than 2. We shade everything to the right. Draw an arrow indicating that it goes on forever. And number 4, k is less than or equal to -5. So we find -5 on our number line. Now it did say or equal to. That line below it, do you see how it's part of an equal sign? So we put a dot, a closed circle at -5, and k is less than or equal to. So we shade everything to the left. All right, I'm going to pause there to erase my screen and we will move on. All right, you cool cats and kittens, we're back and we're going to write some inequalities based on these graphs. So if you look at number 11, we have got a closed circle on 0, which means that our variable can be equal to 0. Let's choose a variable. I'm going to go with c for cats. So c is less than. We're shading in everything to the left. So c is less than or equal to, we've got to have that part of an equal sign because that's a closed-in circle, 0. C is less than or equal to 0. We could also flip it, and we could say 0 is greater than or equal to the number of cats. All right, let's go over here for number 12. We've got an open circle, so we do not have an or equal sign. Let's choose our variable. I'm going to go with T for tiger. And t is everything to the right here of 3. So t is greater than 3. In other words, more than 3 tigers. Or we could flip it around and say 3 is less than the number of tigers. All right, you cool cats and kittens, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments or you can send me an email. You know how to reach me. You have a great day.